1300 hours Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Mujtaba Memon. First, the headlines. Prime Minister has underscored the urgent need of economic engagement with Afghanistan to prevent economic meltdown and alleviate sufferings of common Afghans. Finance Minister says the government is reforming the production sector, keeping in view the export standards to enhance exports and further stabilize economy. President SAARC Chamber of Commerce and Industry has said Pakistan's tremendous untapped economic potential needs to be fully exploited through prudent policy actions. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, doctors and students are protesting against India's oppressive plan to implement the All India quota in medical colleges of occupied Kashmir to deprive the locals of their rights. The 53rd World Military Shooting Championship 2021, being held under the auspices of International Military Sports Council, has started in Lahore. Prime Minister Imran Khan has impressed upon the international community to play their active role in providing necessary humanitarian assistance to the Afghan people to meet their pressing needs. In his telephonic interaction with President of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, he also highlighted the immediate importance of economic engagement with Afghanistan to prevent economic meltdown and alleviate sufferings of the common Afghan people. Finance Minister Shaukat Tareen says the government is trying to bring improvement in production sector, keeping in view the exports standards. In an interview with private channel, he said the government is striving to enhance exports to its maximum level to further stabilize the economy. Finance Minister said the government is taking bold steps to alleviate poverty and will provide targeted subsidy worth 125 billion rupees from this month to facilitate common men. President SAARC Chamber of Commerce and Industries Iftikhar Ali Malik has said Pakistan has tremendous untapped economic potential that needs to be fully exploited through prudent key policy actions. Talking to a 10-member women traders delegation, he said a stronger private sector can help Pakistan realize its economic potential by creating new jobs and in coping with the impact of COVID-19 on its economy. A nationwide mandatory vaccination enforcement campaign continues across the country to contain the spread of COVID virus. Teams of National Command and Operations Center and District Administration and all federating units, including Gilgit-Baltistan, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, are visiting different public places, including hotels, restaurants, bus terminals, parks, commercial centers, markets and malls to strictly enforce the mandatory vaccination instructions and to check violations of the SOPs. In India in yet another oppressive move, is going to implement All India quota comprising 15% of total available undergraduate seats and 50% of postgraduate seats in government medical colleges in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The doctors and students are protesting against the Indian move as it will deprive the locals and open floodgates for outsiders in medical colleges. Till now, MBBS and postgraduate seats in medical colleges in occupied Kashmir used to be reserved only for locals. The opening ceremony of 53rd World Military Shooting Championship 2021 was held in Lahore under the auspices of International Military Sports Council. According to Inter-Service Public Relations, the International Military Sports Council International Shooting Championship is being organized at Lahore Garrison Shooting Gallery of Pakistan Army for the second time. Over 50 participants, including 41 international shooters from Russia, France, Sri Lanka, Palestine, Kenya, are participating in the event with motto Friendship Through Sports. In the National T20 Cup at Rawalpindi, 2 matches will be played today. The first match will be played between Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Northern at 3 p.m., while the second match will be played between Southern Punjab and Central Punjab at 7:30 p.m. And that is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan